Hello, my creatively intelligent artists. Welcome back to art class. Today we are going to be doing a folding surprise pumpkin. A happy pumpkin on the outside, and on the inside it's gonna be a scary pumpkin. Alright, let's start by folding our paper. So we're going to start by allowing both sides to meet. Make sure that both sides of the paper are aligned properly. They are both in line at the same place, and also you can go ahead and crease the opposite side. Let's open up our paper, and we're going to be bringing the right side to meet the center and also the left side to meet the center. So we're starting with the left side, bringing it in to meet the center. Fold it, make sure that you add your crease, so rub your hand over it so that it doesn't move or go back in place. Then bring in the right side to do the same, and we have our folding surprise. Alright, it's time to draw our happy pumpkin. And we're going to start with a rainbow line at the top. Then we are going to be doing another rainbow line beside it, but a longer one for the side of the pumpkin going all the way to the bottom of the paper. Remember to hold the paper firmly so it does not move. And we're doing another long rainbow line on the other side of the pumpkin. Now we're going to add the stem of the pumpkin. We're going up with 2 curved lines, and then we're going to meet those curved lines. Inside of the stem, we're going to add numerous lines to give it a 3D look. All right, let's give our pumpkin a happy eye. And for our eye, we're doing our rainbow line, a small rainbow line at the bottom, and then we're adding 2 rainbow lines inside. And we're repeating this step for the other eye. A big rainbow line, a small one at the bottom, and then 2 small rainbow lines inside. Guys, you are doing an awesome job so far. Now let's give our pumpkin a big happy smile. And we're starting with a small curved line, a big smiley line, and another small curved line for the cheek. We're going to double that big smiley line, turn it into a mouth, and add a tooth. You can add as many teeth as you want. It is your artwork and you're doing great. Let's give our pumpkin a triangular nose and 2 eyebrows, guys. Your artwork looks amazing. Now we're going to open up our surprise, and we're going to do a bigger pumpkin inside, but it's gonna be scary. Let's start with our rainbow line in the middle, and we're doing another rainbow line on both sides. Then we're going to do a big line coming all the way down for the shape of our pumpkin, and we're doing the same thing on the other side. Let's add a nice stem to our pumpkin, and we're repeating the steps like before. We're doing a curved line going up, another curved line, and inside that we are going to add numerous curved lines. Remember, if you want to add anything to your pumpkin, that is fine. Just remember to have fun. If I'm moving too fast, hit the pause button. Let's do some evil eyes, some scary eyes for our pumpkin. And we're going to start with a diagonal line and 2 curved lines inside so that our pumpkin can have a 3D eye. And we're doing the same for the other eye. I just realized that I made a little error, and what do we say about mistakes? They are happy accidents. So what we're going to do is to erase that line, and we're going to do it on the opposite side, guys. You are doing great. Let's give our pumpkin a scary looking mouth. Let's give our pumpkin 2 little nostrils using triangle. We want it to look as scary as it can be. And let's add some vines on our pumpkin so you can just do your curved lines going all the way around and double your lines. Remember to have fun, and you are doing an awesome job, guys. You are doing great so far, guys. Grab your colored pencils or crayons or markers and let's color together. You can use any color of your choice, and if I'm moving too fast, you can always hit the pause button to match the colors. Wow, guys, guess what? Your artwork looks amazing. You did a superb job. I had fun with you in art class, and I'll see you next time. Bye.